Hello learners, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from NIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher. Now let us see how to solve this given question. Here, by Gauss Jordan method. As soon as I say Gauss Jordan method, you might feel, oh my god, Gauss Jordan method. Bhaypadakandi, I'll try to make it easy for you. Okay? Chalo. Now, first the basics. Given data, the given equations are 5x. In your exam, you should start your solution like this by saying these are the given equations. It looks good. Okay, these are the three equations. Now the three equations can be written in matrix form like this: 5 minus 6 4 x y z coefficients, and 7 4 minus 3 and 2 1 6 into this x y z RHS is 15 19 46. Okay, now if you'll split this row wise and this one column wise, although it has just one column. So first row into this column, 5 into x minus 6 into y plus 4 into z equal to 15. So I'm going to get my equations again back. So we can write the given system of equations like this, okay, in matrix form. Now take the first matrix as capital A, second matrix as capital X, and third matrix as capital D. So A into X is equal to D. Fine. I hope things are clear up to now. So far, so good. Okay, now in our picture something known as augmented matrix is going to come. Okay, augmented matrix అన్నది వస్తుందండి, కాస్త జాగ్రత్త వినండి. augmented matrix అంటే ఏంటంటే A ని D ని కలిపి రాస్తాను నేను. ఓకే, A ఇంకా D ని కలిపి రాస్తాను. సో AD చూసారా 15 19 46 A పక్కన వచ్చింది, ఇది మన A, దీని పక్కనకి 15 19 46. దట్స్ వాట్ augmented matrix is. చలో అండి, ఇప్పుడు ఇది వచ్చేసింది. అసలు గాస్ జార్డన్ మెథడ్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఎలా చేయాలి, ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఏంటి, ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి, ఎక్కడ ముగించాలి, ఏం చేయాలి. Listen, I'm gonna give a short summary. In Gauss Jordan method, now my objective is to convert this to 1 0 0 0 1 0, so 0 and 0 0 1, some numbers. Okay, some numbers. Okay, let me make it ABC, some numbers. So the first 3 by 3 matrix should become 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, and this will get changed accordingly, ABC something. Now if you can do this, ultimately the answer which you will get is going to be x y z. Okay, ఇది సింపుల్గా అండి చెప్పాను. ఇంకోసారి కావాలంటే తెలుగులో చెప్తాను చూడండి. ఇది ఈ 3 by 3 మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఉంది కదండి, అది ఇలా అవ్వాలన్నమాట. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, దీని ప్లేస్లో ఇది రావాలి. ఇంకా ఇక్కడ ఏమని ఉండొచ్చు, ఈ ఫోర్త్ కాలం ఏదన్నా ఉండొచ్చు. ఫైన్, అది మన ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ అవుతుంది, ఎక్స్ వై జెడ్. ఇదంతా అయిపోయాక ఓకే ఫైన్. Now to start, if you see, I need to get a 1 in the first row, first column. But here what I have, here I have a 5, here I have a 5. Now how can I make 5 a 1? Listen carefully, how can I make a 5 a 1? I'm going to use the second row. My suggestion is to use the second row. Okay, for this question my suggestion is to use the second row. Now how to get a 1 here? Now what I'm going to do is see, I have 5 and I have 7. Multiply 5 by 3 and multiply 7 by 2. What is 5 3s are 15, what is 7 2s are 14. So 15 minus 14 will be 1. Understand the logic carefully. 15 minus 14 will be 1. That means what? The first row, whenever we'll apply something known as row operations, and once we apply row operations, the operation is going to be done for the entire row, okay, not just for one element. Okay, if you want to change one element, it will be applied for the entire row. Mottam row ku apply avutundandi. Fine. Now so ఈ ఫస్ట్ రో ఇక్కడ సో 5 3తో మల్టిప్లై అవ్వాలి, 15 అవుతుంది. 7 2తో మల్టిప్లై అవ్వాలి, 14 అవుతుంది. సో 15 minus 14 1 అవుతుంది. ఓకే ఫైన్. చలో, సో అంటే ఏంటి, నేను ఫస్ట్ రోని ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తున్నాను, ఎందుకంటే నాకు ఫస్ట్ ఐ నీడ్ అ 1. ఓకే, ఐ నీడ్ అ 1, సో ఐఎమ్ చేంజింగ్ ద ఫస్ట్ రో. అండ్ ద ఫస్ట్ రో, హౌ am I going to change? R1 implies, listen, R1 implies 3R1 minus 2R2. 3R1 minus 2R2. I told, right, 3 into 5 is 15. I'll get a 15 here. Minus 2 into 7 is 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. Now to get a 1 here, I'm doing that. Okay. Now after I get a 1 here, getting zeros below is easy. Now see how. Okay, I'll erase this. I'll erase all this. Fine. Now, now see, as I mentioned, whenever you will change, the entire row will change. Okay. So R1 implies 3R1 minus 2R2. That means what? Each element of R1 will get multiplied by 3 and minus 2 times this. Okay. Fine. See. So 3 5s are 15, minus 2 into 4 7 is 14, 15 minus 14, 3R1 minus 2R2. Same thing for the second element also. 3R1, that means 3 into minus 6 is minus 18, minus 2R2, 2 into 4 is 8, minus 8 I'll get. Okay, next 3R1 minus 2R2 again. Since this is the first operation, I'm going a bit slow. After this I'll be a little fast. 3R1 minus 2R2, 3 into 4 is 12, minus 2 into minus 3, which is minus 6, minus 12 minus of minus 6. Okay, next 3R1 minus 2R2, 3 into 15 minus 2 into 19. That means 3 15s are 45, minus 2 into 19 is 38. Fine. Okay. Now simplify this. You'll get this. Minus 18 minus 80 is minus 26. 12 minus of minus 6 means 12 plus 6, which is 18. And 45 minus 38 is 7. Hope everything is clear up till now. Chalo. Fine. Now I got a 1 here. I told, right, I need two zeros below. How am I going to get it? Using this one. I'm going to get my zeros. Okay. I know guys, కొంచెం అర్థం కాకపోవచ్చు, అసలు ఏం వాగుతున్నాడు వీడియో అనుకోవచ్చు, అప్పుడప్పుడు అసలు ఏం చెప్తున్నారు అని అనుకోవచ్చు. అసలు ఈ గాస్ జార్డన్ మెథడ్ ఎందుకు కనిపెట్టారు దేవుడా, క్రామర్స్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇన్వర్జన్ సరిపోదా, గాస్ జార్డన్ ఎందుకు వచ్చింది అని మీకు అనిపించవచ్చు. ఓకే fine, I can understand. When I was young I also did not understand this method that well. Okay, now you know I'm able to understand. I can understand your, what should I say, feelings a little. Okay, now see 7 and 2. Now to make 7 0, I need to do 7 minus 7. So R2 implies R2 minus 7 into R1. Here 1 is there, multiply that 1 by 7. Okay, now see the, and how to make 2 0 minus 2, that means R3 implies R3 minus 2 R1. I'm going to use R1 to transform R2 and R3. R2 ఇంకా R3 ని మార్చడానికి R1 ని వాడండి. చలో, సో ఇవి మన ఆపరేషన్స్. నో R2 implies R2 minus 7 R1 అంటే ఏంటంటే 7 అలానే ఉంటుంది, minus 7 into 1 7, so 7 minus 7, 4 అలానే ఉంటుంది, 4 minus 7 into minus 26, కొంచెం పెద్ద పెద్ద numbers వస్తాయి చూడండి. And R1 అలానే ఉంటుంది, ఓన్లీ R2 ఇంకా R3 మారుతున్నాయి, ఓన్లీ R2 and R3 are getting changed. Okay, now 7 minus 7, so 4 minus 7 into minus 26, that means it is minus 182, 4 minus of minus 182. Okay, minus 3 minus 7 into 18, it is minus 126. Okay, fine, minus 3 minus 7 into 18 means minus 3 minus 126. Next 19 minus 7 into 7, 19 minus 49. Hope things are all good up till now. Now next R3 implies R3 minus 2 R1. Now 2 minus 2 into 1, 2 minus 2, 1 minus 2 into minus 26, that means 1 minus minus 52. Okay, I'll show you this. See, 1 minus 2 into minus 26, that means 1 minus 2, send it inside, 1 minus minus 52. Fine. Likewise 6 minus 2 into 18, it is minus 36. Okay, 6 minus 36. Okay, 6 minus 36. Now 46 minus 2 into 7, it is 14. Fine. Now if you'll simplify this, like 7 minus 7 is 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, and 4 minus of minus 182 is 4 plus 182, 186 minus 3 minus 126 is minus 129. Like this, if you'll go on simplifying, you'll get this. Fine. Okay, chalo, good. Now I achieved my first target. Here I got 100. Yeah. Now to achieve my next thing, I need 010. So first, to get 010, first get a 1, and using that 1 make the other two zeros. Now to get a 1, oh my god, oh my goodness, how to make this 186 as 1? How to make 186 as 1? I mean, you see, right, it's not 3 4 5 something like that, it's 186. And see guys, this can be made 1 using only this element. Use only this element. Okay, you cannot use this. If you use R1, again this 0 will go away. So you have to use, చూడండి ఈ 186ని 1 చెయ్యడానికి ఓన్లీ ఇదే వాడాలి, ఈ R3నే వాడాలి, అంటే ఇది 53నే వాడాలి. ఓకే, 53ని వాడి దీన్ని 1 చేయాలి. ఎలా చూడండి, ఆపరేషన్ ఏంటంటే డూ దిస్ 2R2 - 7R3. ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది ఐడియా ఏంటి, లాజిక్ ఏంటి, అసలు ఏం మాట్లాడుతుంది అని అనిపించవచ్చు. లిసన్, first how I tried is I'll tell you how I came to this operation. Listen, 186 is there. What is 53 into 3? It is 159. So 186 and 159 are quite apart. So what I did is I multiplied this by 2. 186 into 2 is how much? 372. And then now try to bring 53 as close as possible to 372. 53 sevens are 371. 53 sevens are 371. So that's the logic which I used. So R2 implies 2R2 - 7R3. So 2R2 means 2 into this. 2 into 186 is 372 minus 7 into R3, which is minus 371. Okay. Minus 7 into R3 is 371. Fine. Minus 129. 2 into R2, that means minus 258. Minus 7 into minus 30, that means minus 210. Now next. 2R2, 2 into minus 30, minus 60, minus 7 into 32, minus 224. So minus 2 into minus 30 is minus 60, minus 7 into 32 is 224. So minus 30 minus 2, I'm sorry, minus 60 minus 224. Next, only R2 got changed. Yeah, now we got a 1. Yo, we got a 1. But our duty is not over. Stay focused, guys, stay focused. డిస్ట్రాక్ట్ అయిపోతారు, నోటిఫికేషన్లు వచ్చి ఉండొచ్చు ఈ పాటికి కొని. డిస్ట్రాక్ట్ అవ్వకండి, నోటిఫికేషన్లు వచ్చినా ప్రస్తుతానికి తర్వాత చూడండి, వీడియోకి ఉండండి, టాపిక్ నేర్చుకోండి. చలో, now using this R to make this and this 0. So how? Here I have a minus 26. To make minus 26 0, I need plus 26. So my operation is going to be R1 implies R1 plus 26 R2. R1 implies R1 plus 26 R2. Likewise 53, to make 53 0 minus 53. So R3 implies R3 minus 53 R2. R3 implies R3 minus 53 R2. Okay, fine. Now next fine. Now with that, if you'll do these operations which I just mentioned, so R1 implies R1 plus 26 R2. 1 plus 26 into 0 is 1 plus 0. Minus 26 plus 26 into 1, which means minus 26 plus 26. And 18, I told you big numbers, plus 26 into minus 48. That means you'll get 18 minus 1248. Okay, these are big numbers, guys. Be careful while you're calculating. R1 plus 26 R2, that means 7 plus 26 into minus 284, that means 7 minus 7384. Wow, those are some big numbers. R2 will remain as it is. Likewise 0 minus 53 into 0 is 0 minus 0, and 53 minus 53 into 1 is 53 minus 53, and minus 30 minus 53 into minus 48, that means minus 30 minus of minus 2544, and 32 minus 53 into minus 1284. So 53 into 284, it's not 1284, it's 284. 53 into 284 is 15052. Okay, don't get afraid because of these numbers. Okay, they will become good. See, I'll show you. Now if you'll simplify, now 2514 and 1508, don't get afraid by seeing these numbers. Bhaypadakandi pedda numbers just simplify avutadi chudu. Now the R3 multiplied by 1 by 2514. Why? Listen, 2514 cancel, 1s are 6s are. Okay, so if you got this step, it means you are on the right track. You have not made any mistake, at least so far. Okay, if you had made a mistake also, sometimes it may go unnoticed, you have to check, but if you come to this step, majorly you have done it right. Now from here it's very easy, it's very easy. Now using this I got 1000010, I need to get 001. Now using this one, make this and this 0. How? R2, use R3 only. Okay, now R2 is minus 48, so I need plus 48. So R2 implies R2 plus 48 R3, and R1 implies R1 plus 1230 R3. Okay, these are my two operations. If you do it, this is what you'll get. Zeros only, like 1 plus R1 plus 1230 R3. This anything into 1230 into this 1 plus 0, 0 plus 0, minus 1230 plus 123 plus 1230 into 1, that means plus 1230, and minus 7377 plus 1230 into 6, so you would get 7380. Likewise the same thing, 0 1, R2 plus 48 R3, that means 0 plus 48 into this, 1 plus 48 into this, minus 48 plus 48 into 1, minus 48 plus 48, minus 284 plus 48 into 6, it is 288. Fine. If you simplify this, it's looking so nice. 1003 0104 0016. But to come this, we had to go through, guys. In PPT you might feel it's easy. If you do calculations, it's a little tough only. Fine. So make sure you put in enough effort. Try to do the sum once again without seeing. Okay, you can just write it down, practice once, and then try to do it without seeing, so that you can get that understanding of Gauss Jordan method. I hope I went in a slow way. I mean, like, went in a way in which you could understand. అర్థం చేసుకున్నారా అనుకుంటున్నాను. గాస్ జార్డన్ మెథడ్కి ఏదైనా భయం ఉంటే అది కాస్త తగ్గుంటుందన్న ఆశతో ఇక సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాను. ధన్యవాదాలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.